In this video, we're going to be comparing Asub and Koala sublimation paper. They are made by the same company, but if you want to see if there's any difference between the two, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do sublimation and sewing videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing. Please consider subscribing. Joining my YouTube family. Also, make sure to check my website at sewpresscreate.com. I do classes where I combine sublimation and sewing, teaching you how to make custom products so that you can sell them or just create them for family and friends. So if you're interested, there will be step-by-step videos in the class on how to sew this bomber jacket, as well as pattern template pieces for kids in adult sizes, and a PDF that gives you fabric requirements, measurements, as well as a size chart, as well as a complete material list of what you're going to need with hyperlinks to all of those products. So if you want to check out that class, I'll have it linked down below in the description. And let's just jump into this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I have printed my design, exact same settings, except this one's Koala, and then this one's Asub. I only have a 8.5 by 14 for the Koala one, that's why it's longer, but that's okay. So, first comparison of these papers is that the Asub one is thicker than the Koala one. The Koala one is very much more comparable to like printer paper. Asub is not super thick, but it's definitely thicker than the Koala one. Now, looking at the designs, how they printed, I don't know. I would say that the Asub one kind of looks a little more vibrant. They kind of honestly look very similar. What do you guys think? I think the colors actually look very similar to each other. But let's see how they press, because that's definitely going to be a big tell if there's a difference. So I'm just gonna have some 100% polyester fabric here, and I'm going to trim down my designs. So I'm gonna put an Asub on the right side, and I'm just gonna take some heat tape and I'm gonna tape that down. And then Koala is gonna be on the left side, and we're gonna tape that down. I'm gonna tape that down as well. Again, these were printed on with the exact same settings. Perfect. Now we're gonna take this to our heat press to press it and see if there's a difference between the two. We're gonna put some butcher paper on the bottom. I'm gonna put some butcher paper on the bottom. Then I'm gonna put my fabric with the logos facing up. Some butcher paper on top, and I'm gonna press at 385 degrees for 60 seconds. Okay, I'm not gonna take anything off because I want to reveal it with you. So let's take this to the table so that we can compare the two. Okay, moments of truth. I'm gonna take the butcher paper off. Koala, Asub. So let's take out Asub first. This is my ink release. This is how it looks. I'm gonna take off Koala now. Wow, there was more ink release with the Koala one. Look at that. Like this one still has ink in it, and this one looks fairly faded. So let's look at these colors. I almost feel like, okay, let's look. The colors look a little different. Like this orange looks lighter than this one. Same with the green. This green looks different. These colors are very much more deeper, I think, because they had a better ink release. I don't know if that's because it's thinner paper. I don't even see that it like bled through, even though it's a thinner paper. That's very interesting. But these colors definitely seem more deeper, more vibrant than these colors. Let me know in the comments if you also see that, if the camera's even picking it up. You can see even like in this flower right here, this is a more deeper orange, more vibrant orange than this one. Yeah, I feel like maybe like right here you can see these. This purple is darker than this one. It's definitely more vibrant. I'm actually impressed. I didn't think there was going to be a huge difference between them. Let me know what differences you guys see in the comments. And have you used both of these papers? Do you prefer one over the other? Let me know down below what you guys thought about the two papers. They're obviously made by the same company. But I do feel like the Koala one had more ink release, which really surprised me because I kind of expected the Asub to have more ink release. But again, the Asub is much thicker and the Koala is paper thin pretty much. But the colors look great on both. Let me know which one you think is more vibrant. I am thinking that the Koala is more vibrant, but let me know your thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. I will have both papers linked down below, so check them out. I have been using Asub for a long time and Koala is newer to me, but I'm pretty impressed with it. So go check them out. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit the bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for another video next week. Bye guys.